Hey everyone, if your reports look boring or outdated, yeah, Canva can completely transform them. In this video, I'll show you how to design modern eye-catching reports step by step. First, open Canva and search for report. Canva offers tons of ready-made layouts you can customize. Pick a template that matches your style. Go for clean, minimal designs for a professional look. Next, adjust colors and fonts. Yeah, stick to brand colors and limit fonts to keep things consistent. Make key information stand out. Use headings, spacing, and contrast to guide the reader's eye. Use Canva's charts and elements. Visuals make complex data easier to understand. Add subtle icons and dividers. Yeah, they improve structure without cluttering the page. Avoid overcrowding. White space is your friend in modern design. When finished, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print for professional reports. Always preview your report. Yeah, check alignment, readability, and visual flow. And that's it. With Canva, you can design reports that look polished, modern, and engaging. Thanks for watching.